If you're running a business where you need to coordinate and schedule visits to your customers, this video is for you. I recently had an inquiry from a security alarm company facing challenges with managing their maintenance schedules. Here is the scenario that they shared. There is a human who calls up each customer to confirm their availability for maintenance visits. This involves hours of back and forth when the customer is not available. Common questions like how long will it take or what is included often take up more time. And finally, if it is confirmed, the human manually sends a confirmation SMS that can lead to errors or missed follow-up sometimes. It's a time-consuming and draining process which can take up a lot of time from their team and also has a challenging issue for scalability. Customers aren't available in the first call most of the times, requiring multiple follow-ups to schedule a time. Moreover, optimizing the travel schedules for the technician is a logistical nightmare. Now, imagine this entire process automated with an AI caller as well as a personalized dashboard for your business. Let me explain how all this works. The AI caller automatically takes up the record and makes the call. It introduces itself, explains the purpose of the call, and seamlessly schedules a visit if the customer confirms. In case they are not available, it automatically reschedules the call without any human intervention involved. Also, during the call, it can handle common questions like how long will it take or how should I be prepared for it, which saves up a lot of time for your valuable team to focus on what matters the most. If the AI is unable to address any question, the call can be directly redirected to a human agent where your team can address the issue. That's not all. The system calculates the travel time between locations, optimizing the travel route for your technicians. Once a visit is scheduled, the AI automatically sends out a confirmation SMS with the required details. Interesting, isn't it? Do you want to see a workflow and a live demo? Hi, my name is Mohit Mrinal and welcome to the 20th automation of our 100 automation series at Rohini AI, where we build workflows and AI agents that are specifically designed for your business needs. More about me and what we do at the end of this video. So let's get in and let's go through the workflow real quick. Here is the customer data where it will include customer details, their name, phone number, when is the schedule, when is their maintenance pending, which will be used by the AI system to generate the AI outbound calling. During the call, it can answer various FAQs based on the information and knowledge document that we train it with. Also, it syncs with your calendar to sync the appointments and also optimize the route to consider the travel time between different pin codes and different visits on the go. So this call can have three outcomes. First, the optimal one that we want, that the customer confirms the visit. On this case, the database is updated with the relevant information, the calendar is updated, and it sends out an SMS confirmation to the user. The second scenario, where the customer is not available and they want to discuss this further during another call. So in that case, the AI reschedules the call, updates the database, and hangs up. And the third scenario, when the user is having a question where our AI system is not capable to answer, in those scenarios, a human agent handoff will take place and it will transfer the call to a human agent. So I hope this workflow is clear to you, and let's go to a live demo. So let me make the call, and yeah, I've got it. Let me take it and put it on speaker. Hello?
Hello, this is Maria, an AI assistant at Rohini Security Alarm Agency. We installed your security alarm. Is now a convenient time for a quick chat?
No, I'm very busy.
I completely understand. I don't want to take up your time right now. Would there be a better time for me to call back and discuss this?
You know what? Actually, I am available. Please continue.
Thank you. I'll keep this brief. Based on our records, the service for your alarm system is due soon to ensure it continues functioning optimally. Would next Tuesday at 2 o'clock p.m. work for you?
No. How long will it take?
The service will take approximately 40 to 50 minutes. Would you like me to schedule an alternative time that suits you better?
No, I have one more question. Like, do I have to prepare anything in advance, or how does that work?
No, I apologize for the interruption. To answer your question, no, you don't need to prepare anything. Our technicians will take care of everything.
Okay, in that case, I am available Wednesday 3 p.m.
Thank you. I've scheduled the technician for Wednesday at 3 o'clock p.m. You'll receive a confirmation shortly via SMS, along with a reminder closer to the appointment. If anything changes, feel free to reach out and we'll adjust the timing.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and we'll see you on Wednesday.
How was it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Mohit Mrinal, and over the past 7 years, I have invested myself into IT and businesses. When I was doing my computer science, I built over 15 plus full stack web development projects and then 10 plus Flutter application projects. After I graduated, I worked as an IT consultant at United Nations for a year. After that, I did my masters in digital economy from VU Vienna, where I was formally educated in bridging the gap between IT and businesses. Now I run my AI automation agency at Rohini AI, where we build custom AI solutions for your business needs. You can check out our website for more details on the current offerings that we have. And if you want, you can connect with me over my LinkedIn, where I post AI insights on a daily basis. As a business owner, if you want to integrate AI into your operations, you can book a discovery call from our website today, and see you on the other side.